The only game show where you're not guaranteed to win any money, but you are guaranteed to get welded by electricity.
I want to let you guys know that Nurkl has officially partnered up with Jason from Shot or Shop. You may know him by his bigger social media presence through Fire Department Chronicles or Fire Depot Coffee because they make some incredible coffee. We have partnered up with Shot or Shock to bring our products to the next level, to expand into the nations, to share our story, and to make Nurkl a better product all around. So get ready. And if you want to go check out the new show, season 3 is coming out soon. You can go to reveal.net and check it out.